Hello, it's Kids Dazzling, and today I want to show you Chinese makeup. Actually, I thought about making a video like this later, but I noticed that for some reason I mentioned about Asian makeup almost in my every video, so I decided not to delay with it and show you one. Also, I've done it before, once in my life I think. And today I'm gonna do it again. Sorry for gum, but I'm boring while film video. It's relax me. So well, I need a white face, so I'm gonna take concealer. And on the eyes. We need to get white base. I'll take my black eyeliner and I'm gonna do in casual arrows at first. From here we need to thick arrows. And go here. We will make it not too long, but not too short. You can choose middle side. That's my advice. And now all we do just doing it more thick. It must be noticeable arrow. Actually, my purpose of this makeup to make eyes look more big and broader. So this will be our purpose. A little bit on the top. And on the mucus. I'll take thin angle brush. So, and we need take a color more brighter than black. It's like another arrow, but it might look like shadow of this arrow. So we take more light color. I'll take brown. And we start from here. And now we're going down. This arrow will look more thick. Take a little bit more. It always looks interesting. To look it better on my eyes, I add a little bit eyeshadow here. It will look more smooth. And we need to left here some space. More sharp. I want to more sharp it a little bit. As you can see, this makeup will looks better on the fox eyes, because my eyes naturally goes down. But that's not all. No. We apply under the eyes a shimmer. I'll take highlighter. I need a thin brush. I'll apply it under my eyes. Carefully. It might be shining this spot. Not too much. We lighten in this spot. We need to take white eyeshadow. Here. And that's not finished yet, because I need to take a more bright color than this, but also brown. So I'll choose this color. And it's kinda interesting, because I'm going to create bags. Screen your eyes. It will be more convenient, and you'll see the bags. Take it with brown eye shadow. Ooh. I need to go a little bit to inner corner. Yeah. It's kinda odd but cute. It might be noticeable. Actually, I wanna put highlighter here. I wanna shine in mascara. We're gonna make it in unusual way too. Oh, how cute. I like it. We need long eyelashes. We need to skim mascara. And we apply it a lot. and on the under lashes, but just on tips. Well, I just done with another eye. I hope it looks same. And I also wanna say that Asian people often apply this line in this makeup, like this bone line, because they naturally don't have it. And my eyes, personally my eyes, have this line, so I'm not gonna make this bone line because I have it naturally. And now I wanna make a blush. I wanna put it here, upper than I put it usually, under the eye. And second, here. It's looking so cute. How cute it is! Oh my gosh. Highlighter. My nose. A little bit on the cheeks. And chin. I think we need to make Asian lips. We need concealer. We need to look it pale at first. And we're gonna take pink lipstick and doing this. So we're not touching borders, the lips. That's it. It was Chinese makeup. Like video if you like it, dislike if you don't like it, subscribe for more video like this. See you later.